All right, let's now cross to the SABC News reporter Fundiswa Mhlekude to give us an update on how voter registration is going. She's currently in Qunu Village in the Eastern Cape. Fundiswa, thank you so much for your time. Earlier we spoke to Abongile Yankees, and of course he was speaking to the IEC in the province, indicating of course that they are not happy with some of the voting centers that were closed. 9 yesterday, 4 today. Just give us an account in terms of where you are exactly and what the response of the citizens has been there.
Thank you very much. We are at Qunu, Matyengqina to be exact, just 2 kilometers from the area where we last visited Qunu earlier this year, where 7 young people were shot and killed and their bodies piled up on top of each other. And we were told that those young people died due to their death was related to drug abuse. But as you are asking right now, we are here, and as you can see, there are IEC officials who are outside because their tent was blown away by strong winds that are taking place in this area today. And they say the tent, rather a gazebo, fell on them, but luckily no one was injured. And earlier we did speak to 2 voting stations where they were saying that young people are not very keen on registering because they had about 16 compared to yesterday. 16 today, and yesterday they had about 19. And where we are right now with this voting station, we are told that there are people who had wrong addresses and they had to fix that first before they were to be registered. But with me right now is Nkosi Mabalengwe Mtiraka of Matyengqina Traditional Council, who will be telling us about why are these people, Nkosi Mabalengwe, working outside.
The Traditional Council had a contract with the IEC. The Traditional Court has been blown out by the wind 8 years ago. It was never fixed till today. We didn't anticipate the wind of today. That's why the gazebo was blown out this afternoon. There was a gazebo yesterday, and today there was no problem. But this afternoon the wind came very strong.
Mm-hmm. When we were speaking, Nkosi Mabalengwe, you mentioned the issue of crime in this village.
The crime around Biki area is very, very strong. The crime is caused by 2 things. One, the drugs. The problem of drugs in Amtata, CBD, it affects all our rural areas. The problem of drugs in East London, it affects all our rural areas. On the N2, you will find 4 or 5 cars on the N2 standing. Those are the guys who are transporting drugs. The problem, our police station is a small police station, Biki. The Biki, it's an African name. This is a small thing. It was then a station only for the police station for the shops that were there. But our area is too big. The Biki police station looked from Vezo, which is in Mpasha River, to R61, that side of Engcobo. That's how big is the area. So till we upgrade, we've been asking for government, for police, 15 years, asking them to upgrade Biki to be a fully police station. But they say tomorrow, for 15 years. That's our problem. That's why the crime, the drugs, is not easy to fight them. It's because you've got only 8 to 10 policemen per shift, and there's a shortage of vehicles.
Chief Mabalengwe, when we were speaking to IEC officials here, they mentioned that young people are not very keen on registering, especially in this area, like new people who are registering for the first time. Ungayoyamanisa nantoni lonto?
Lonto ndingayenza nongabikho komsebenzi. So abantu abatsha batyhafile banikezele. Akhonto although lento bengaregistarishi is affected siba newards ezinkulu. Iwards zethu ufumanisa ba if it can be divided into 3 wards, but because people they're not going to register for voting, otherwise liba bengaphangeli ibenze batyhafa kwinto yonke edibene nophuhliso.
Thank you very much. Nkosi Mabalengwe Mtekaka saying that the fact that young people are not keen on registering to vote in this area rather it means that they are making a cry about unemployment because so many people, young people in this area are unemployed.